Peeps, welcome back to my channel. So right now we have our brows done and eyes prime, ready to go. And now we're gonna go in. I'm using the eBay 180 eyeshadow palette for today, and I have been going back and forth with that palette and also the 42 Ultimate eyeshadow palette from BH Cosmetics. But right now I'm gonna be using the eBay palette. This is their 180 palette. I know this is not actually eBay's palette, but I got it off of eBay. I'm so sorry. So I'm going to be taking the pink shade, and I'm going to be applying the pink shade in the center of the crease because we are going to be using some colors and the upper part of the crease. So I just kind of lowered it down just a little bit, and I love like using two different shadow colors. I've been doing that lately, and I also been dragging it way lower than my like way under the outer V. So I've been doing that a lot, and it has been really changing up the makeup looks. Yes ma'am, it has really changed up my makeup looks. So that is what I'm going to be doing right now. Now do a look with that, adding some purple, you guys. So I'm going to be taking the purple eyeshadow, and it's also coming from the same exact palette, and I'm just going to be applying it right above the pink. And then after I apply it right above the pink, you guys, like, I really, you know, it took me a while to like get the method of, you know, applying two shades, because back in the day, the way I originally did my makeup, who's this? Okay, so now I'm just blending it and making sure everything looks okay, and just, you know, re-adding the colors that I, you know, had once before, because usually I can overblend sometimes I can overblend. And then I'm going to be adding some black. Like, I thought about doing it just the way it is, like having a black on there and call it a day, but I wasn't really feeling it just like that, so I just added the black. And then when I added the black, we're gonna see what else happens next. Okay. Okay, so we can't be having raccoon eyes on Valentine's Day. I'm going to be cutting a crease. I am using the Believe Beauty concealer in medium beige. Alright, so now we're going to be going back and I'm going to be taking the NYX Cosmetics Angle Brush. I'm going to be just taking a matte black. And it's also from that 180 eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to be applying it into the crease. And we're going to be leaving the other half open, which is my lid. Because we're going to be adding other shades there as well. Like purple, black, and just pink all together. It's like hands down my fave. So I'm going to be going in with the Milani Gilded Rouge palette. And I'm going to be taking this nice pink shade. And then also I'm going to go in with a bronzy shade. And these shades are so amazing. The Gilded Rouge eyeshadow palette from Milani. They do have other palettes just like this. And I believe I paid $20 for this. But it was actually worth paying $20 for it. Sometimes you can be like buy eyeshadow palettes and it's not even worth the money, but this was worth it. So I'm just going to be taking those two shades. I'm going to be applying it to the lid. Gotta have the handy eyeliners I love from Amazon. And I'm just going to be taking the hot pink. Actually, this is like a baby pink. A baby pink eyeliner from Amazon. And I'll have the name of the brand listed in the description. Bear with me. Okay, bear with me. And I'm going to be applying my lashes. And that should complete the look.